Welcome to Emelac Online Tutorial. Before us is question number 7 of the WAEC November 2022 mathematics question, and it says evaluate 16 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 now plus log 0.0001 base 10 plus log 32 base 2. Alright, how do you start with this? What we need to do is to simplify everyone first. So bring this one here. This 16 all to the power of, now you have in bracket 1 over 2 all to the power of 3, and you have log base 10 1 2 3 4. So you convert it to standard form now plus, now since here you have 2 as the base, convert this to a base of 2 and it will have a power of 5. Okay, now in this case, now let us recall that log x base x equals 1. Okay, so without this, we can follow this and follow this using this principle. So with this here, now we can say now our square here, our power of half is the same thing as the square root of 16. Now plus, bring down this, and we know that log x base raised to power n base x will give you n log x base x. So let us bring this over to this. So here we have minus 4 base 10, log 10 base 10 equals the same principle as this. You have 5 log 2 base 2. Alright, with this now we can know that the square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 power of 3 now minus 4. Now this equals to this times 1 now plus, okay, let me just put it here like this, plus, then here you have 5 times 1. This principle following this. So here we have 64 minus 4 plus 5. And this will now give us 64 minus 4 plus 5 will give us plus 1, which is equal to what? 65. And this is the final answer to this. And if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading on this channel, both maths, chemistry and physics. Thank you and God bless you.